Wait and see.
Stop sending your family calendar to the cloud. We just built a fortress with a 6090, running Llama 4 and Grok 3 locally. No subscriptions, no spying. Here is the blueprint for a privacy-first family AI. The RTX 6090 is the engine of this build. With 48 gigs of VRAM, you do not need to offload work to system RAM. We are running the 70 billion parameter Llama 4 model at 4-bit quantization entirely on the GPU. This setup processes complex childcare queries in under 400 milliseconds. The response time is fast enough to hold a natural conversation while you are packing lunch bags. The massive VRAM capacity also means you can multitask. You can have Llama 4 drafting a grocery list, while Grok 3 handles a scheduling conflict in the background, all without stuttering or thermal throttling. We use Docker to containerize the entire stack. This approach isolates your AI environment from your main operating system. If something breaks in the Flowise container, it does not crash your home media server. You define the network in a Docker compose.yaml file, creating a virtual LAN where your models, your database, and your automation tools talk to each other securely. We map the local port 111434 for the Llama 4 instance and port 3000 for Flowise. This port mapping keeps the traffic local. Your data never touches the public internet once the initial weights are downloaded. Flowise acts as the visual interface. You do not write Python code to build the chat chains. You drag nodes onto a canvas. We connected a chatbot node to a Llama 4 model node. Inside the Llama 4 node configuration, you set the base URL to http://host.dockerkernel.11434. This specific address allows a containerized Flowise app to communicate with the Llama instance running on your host machine. We added a prompt template node to inject system instructions. The prompt tells the model to output responses in JSON format if the request involves calendar data. This formatting ensures the automation layer can read the output without parsing errors. N8N handles the automation logic. This tool connects your AI to the real world. We built a workflow that triggers every time an email hits the school updates folder. The Gmail trigger node watches the inbox via IMAP. When a new email arrives, N8N passes the HTML body to an HTML node. This strips away the signatures and headers, leaving only the raw text of the newsletter. That clean text is then sent to the Llama 4 node. The prompt asks the model to identify dates, times, and events. Llama 4 returns a structured JSON object containing the schedule items. The next step is the calendar sync. The JSON output from Llama 4 feeds directly into a Google Calendar node in N8N. We authenticated this node with a...
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.